Alright, for the side mount, you can kind of see, I guess, that this one went in fine, but this side, the little bolt wasn't cooperating too well, so I had to put 3 washers on there to make it sit and kind of lock into place. But so far, that's been the only negative thing. I think somewhere around there is roughly where it's going to go. So I have my 2 guide holes started. It's going to be hard to see, but one right there and one right there. So I'm going to take this off, drill through to make the mounting holes, put self-tappers in. Here's the lead. Let me see, I know I have a light somewhere. Alright, so the lead, and then to the battery, which will go to the relay, and then I kind of have the switch button routed all back here, and I'll have to get some better video when it gets lighter. And then I fed the line through the firewall, and that comes out to the switch into the cab. So I'm gonna get this all hooked up real quick, which is literally just splicing the ends of this after this is mounted into these, and I'll feed it through the grill somewhere, and then I guess pretty much just connect it to the battery and we should be all right. Alright, so now we're gonna actually mount the light bar. Alright, light bar is mounted now. Now we just have to splice these wires here. And I apologize for doing this in pitch black, basically. It's also super windy. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up any of the wind noise or anything, but like I said too, I'll show you guys tomorrow, and I'm gonna tidy up everything in the daylight to make it a little bit more tucked in and everything. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and splice this in, or I guess before that, kind of tuck it behind the grill, splice it, connect it to the battery, and then test from there. All right guys, just got it hooked up to the battery, so here's the real moment of truth. Oh shit, the switch is lighting up. It's gotta mean something good. So that would be on. Oh man. Alright, so let's do some testing. This is gonna be with regular headlights on, high beams. I know that seems kind of weird because I have the LED low beams. So with low beams, this is with the light bar. God damn. And then I'll keep it on and put high beams on. So that's with light bar off, high beams on, light bar. And that is just the light bar. Off, light bar. Damn, that looks good. So pretty much the only thing I've got to do now is zip tie these and then tuck them back under here. But I guess looking at it in the dark, everything was, you know, I was misjudging everything. But the way I have everything ran is pretty much how I want it. I might just zip tie something up there so it doesn't fall when I hit any bumps, but looks good to me.